Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by mapping scope to dollars. Identify deliverables, resources, and timelines so estimates are actionable. Once done, calculate a baseline budget and add 5-15% contingency to absorb risk. Make sure to assign cost owners for each line item and configure your tracking tool now. This prevents guesswork later. You'll also set approval thresholds for purchases, so small buys flow fast while larger ones require sign-off. This first step creates accountability and a clear financial starting point. You monitor spending by comparing actuals to baseline at least weekly. Spotlight any variances over 3% or $1,000 immediately. Once variances appear, trigger change control, document scope changes, quantify cost and schedule impact, and decide to approve, reject, or defer. Make sure to rebaseline formally when approved so reporting stays meaningful. You should also optimize spend continuously. Negotiate vendor rates, reallocate contingency to critical work, and deprioritize lower-value tasks to protect the project's financial health. You complete by reconciling invoices, closing purchase orders, and producing a final cost report that compares baseline, changes, and actuals. Once done, analyze key variances and capture lessons learned to inform future estimates and contingency sizing. Make sure to archive budgets and approval records for auditors and teams. If you face an overrun, isolate root causes quickly, apply targeted cuts to non-essential scope, renegotiate vendor terms, or prepare a concise funding request showing ROI. This troubleshooting keeps governance intact and decisions fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.